So hello guys, we are going to do the daily Leetcode question, which is minimum length of a string after operation. In this question we have given a string s and we have to perform operation on it. Like in the operation we have to choose the index I such that there is at least one character towards its left which is equal to the character present at index I, and also towards its right there is at least one character which is equal to the character present at index I. If this condition will satisfy, then we will delete the same character which is at I, that is present on its left and right. Then we will delete both left and right character. Okay, and after performing this operation we will left with a string, and again we will check the string. If this condition still satisfy, then we will minimize this string by performing this operation as many as times. Okay, so as we see in the example, we have initially we have a string this, and we see that in the string we will choose the character a. Okay, as toward its left we will, as it is satisfying the condition, like there is at least one a character at its left and one a character at its left right. Okay, so we will delete the left and right a character, and after deleting we will left with this string. Okay, so now we will see that we can choose b character as well, as it still satisfies the condition, as because toward its left there is a one b also present, and at its right there is one b also present. Okay, so we will left with a c b c b, right? Yes. So now we can't perform any operation because the condition will not satisfy on this, because there is no any character present which is occurring three times. So we will return the length of the string, final string, which is 5. Okay, like one thing is to be observed, that if we can perform the operation if any character is occurring three times, right? If it is not occurring three times or occurring less than three times, then we can't perform our operation. If it is greater than three times, then we can perform our operations. Okay, so let us take in this example. So let us now we will solve this question. So what we do, we will first initially calculate the frequency of the all the character. The, okay, so we see that a is occurring three times, and b is occurring four times, and c is occurring two times. Okay, if a character frequency will occur greater than or equal to three times, then we can perform the operation, and by we can delete two frequency from it, like two character from it, which is equal to a. Okay, we will delete two characters, so that means we have to subtract 2 from the frequency of a particular character. Okay, and after subtracting we will left with some frequency. If it is still greater than equal to 3, then we will again do the same operation and delete to subtract 2 from it. Like we will perform this until 3 is greater than or equal to, until the frequency is greater than equal to 3, right? If it is less than 3, then we can't perform any operations, and we will add this frequency in our answer as the remaining frequency, like remaining word in the, as in this example a is occurring. Let us try to dry run. Okay, so a is occurring three times, then we can perform operation, and we will subtract 2 from this, and we will left with 1. Okay, now after we can on, if a is occurring one times, then we can't do any operation. Okay, like for doing operation it have to occur three times at least. Okay, now here b is occurring four times, then we can perform our operation, and we will subtract 2 from it, like deleting left and right. So we will left with 2, and now 2 is less than 3, so we can't perform any operations more on it. Similarly on this also we will left with 2 because on 2 frequency we can't perform our operation. And at final we will add all these frequencies that are left. Means these are the characters which we don't delete, so our answer will be adding to this frequency is equal to 5. Okay, so we are trying to do this, right? Now let's write the code. So let us calculate the length of the string, which is, and after that we will be taking an ordered map for storing our frequency. Okay, now traverse on the string to store frequency of each character for 10% x over string. Then we will increase the frequency of the character. Now we will take our answer as sum equal to 0, and we will traverse on map, right? We will traverse on map. So at, like here our map will something look like this. Okay, a frequency is 3. Like in first example our map will look like this. Then what we will select? We will select its frequency. So int frequency equal to it dot second. If our frequency is greater than equal to 3, then we will perform the operation and subtract 2 from the frequency. Okay, we will subtract 2 from the frequency, that is frequency minus equal to 2. Okay, we will perform this until our frequency is greater than equal to 3. If it is and after that we will left with the frequency on which we can't perform any operations furthermore, so we will add this frequency in our answer, and at last we will return our answer, which is sum. Okay, and let's comment it down. Let us run our code, see if it is working or not. Okay, right, it is passing test case. Let us submit it. Okay, it is submitted, working fine.